Hey there guys, welcome back. I know this week I was going to try and show you the tail tidy for the Monster, doing an unboxing and the fitment onto the bike. Sadly it's taken a bit longer to come through, so in the meantime what I have just arrived through the post today is my new UltimateAddons phone mount. So I thought we'd do a quick unboxing video, show you what's in the pack and show you it on the bike. So let's have a look and see what's in the box. So guys, this is what was in the pack. I've obviously just taken out the boxes. So what we've got originally is the actual case. So made of a nice hard plastic, and that's the clip that goes onto the mount itself. As you see, a nice big screen on it, and also in the back for the camera. So to get into it, it just comes under this bracket and that clip there, and then all you do is pull up these wee bits here, clip it in, and it opens up. So we'll get rid of this stuff. So inside it we've got the really soft rubber, obviously for the shock absorption and stop it from vibrating about the place. And also down at the bottom here you can see the bit to put your charger in to obviously charge it while you're on the bike. And that's fully, once the plug's in there, that's fully waterproof still. So if we just get my phone and we slot it in, you can see that it fits in there nice and snug. And then all we do is clip the corners back down and that wee bit there. Get this little bit here and that, snap that down, and that is in there nice and solid. So the buttons seem to work. That's it. So the phone seems to be working just as well, really. You know, can't say the sensitivity on the phone is any different. Yeah, all the buttons seem to be working perfectly fine. Yeah, magic. So that's in there. It's a bit bulky also once your phone in there, but it's there to protect your phone, keep it dry, you know, stop dust from getting into it. So the actual mount itself, as you can see, you've got the quick release buckles there, where it's like just clip into these two back bits, and you should be able to just clip it on and push it in there. And when that's on there, that is nice and solid. And then just to release, press that, take it back off. And then I went for the, as you can see, the Helix swivel strap. So obviously I wanted that one just so in case when I put it on there I can move this about, get it the right angle, just in case the sun's glaring on it, or maybe it's just sitting funny on the bar, so I can twist it to which way I want it so I can actually see my phone nice and clearly. The reason I also went for this one as well, as you can see in the box says there between 21 to 40mm bars. Again, I just went up so I could fit it into like different parts of the bar, or also if I change bike or on a different bike, it will fit almost any bike that I go onto. And then just to get it on there, you just swivel the little dial here, and that will bring the strap out. You can just wrap that around the bar and then just do the reverse to get it back on. Put it in there, twist it on, and as you can see, it just tightens up there, as simple as that. So I'll show you on the bike in a moment or so, but that's there. So also what also came in the box as well was a little lanyard or wrist strap, or what I think would be quite a good idea is if you were doing a bigger journey, what you might want to do is attach that to the case itself and then attach this to the handlebar. It's almost like a nice lanyard to stop the, so if it does come off the mount for any reason, you're not going to lose your phone and damage it. And then if you need to get off the bike, you can just quick release it, take the phone with you, leave that on your bike, come back, clip it back in, so it's nice and secure. And what I didn't realise when I was actually buying it at the time was you get a charger lead with it as well, so it's always handy to have spares. So what I think I'll probably do with this is just keep it on the bike and with its toolkit. And then the ideal is, the fact is that when I'm away, even if I get stuck somewhere, at least I know I've got a charger with me. It's on the bike itself, and then I can charge it from the bike. So that's perfect, just what it needs. So what I'll do is I'll do a quick clip on the bike, just so you can see that. Oh, look at that, a nice wee stand as well. Stand the phone up, and that's what I'll show you quickly. And as you can see, you can still use the camera. Perfect. Right, so let's see what it's like on the bike itself. So like I said, to get on there, it is as simple as placing it on the bar where you roughly want to sit it. I might set it out here just so it doesn't get in the way of my actual screen at here, and then put that in there, and then all we do is twist this bit here, tighten up the strap. So as you can see, there's a lot of space there, so if you wanted to put it on a thicker part of the bar or a thinner, then you've got the choice. Again, different types of bars, then you're not really limited at all, which is quite good. That's why I went for this one rather than one of the other ways to fix it on there. I was going to originally get the M8 bolt to fit it onto here and have it fixed on there, but then, like I say, I'd rather have the chance of taking it off when I wanted to and put it onto other bikes or other bars and stuff. So that's on there, nice and tight. I'm just going to loosen this off so that I can move around. And then from there, you just get it on, clip it in, and then depending where you want it, you might have to move the whole thing around, and then just tighten up that bolt if you want it portrait. And from there as well, so then you can still get access to the charging port if you need to charge it, either from battery pack or from the bike itself, and it will still stay waterproof. Or if you even want to have it landscape, have it on there, which I'd probably prefer, to be honest. If I was going to have it as a sat nav, then I'd probably use it that way, to be honest. Have a sat nav so I can see the full thing. And from the rider's position though, I can actually still, you can't see very clearly on camera, but you can, from my position, you can still see the actual bike screen, so I can still see my speedo and everything, but then still have, say, the sat nav on there, or my phone. And what I was trying to say earlier on with that lanyard was, if you also as a wee extra feature, which I'd probably use this for more than anything else, is I probably would just attach this to the handlebars and as a fixed point, and then attach that to the case, and then means that for any reason if this fails, maybe I've not clipped it in properly or the wind's really strong and it does happen to blow it out, then at least I know I've got it fixed on there, a wee secondary fixed position, so I know it's not going to go off anywhere. So that is that really. I can't wait to really get and use it and show you on the road, but at least now if I'm going anywhere I'm not having to stop, check my phone, that I can just have it there on there if I'm doing a bigger journey, which I'm doing on Friday with the bike is it getting put in for a service, so I'll be using it to get to the garage for its service. So that's it for this week so far, and I'll see you next time. Cheers guys.